Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have 3 raised to the power 9 plus 3 raised to the power 6 is equal to 36, and here we want to solve for the value of t. So t is the unknown, what to solve for. To do this, solution. So we have t raised to the power 9 plus t raised to the power 6 is equal to 36. Now from here, we can express t raised to the power 9 as t raised to the power 3 or raised to the power 3, because power 3 times 3 is 9. Then plus, we can also express t raised to the power 6 as, in brackets, t raised to the power 3 or raised to the power 2, because 3 times 2 is 6. So is equal to 36. So at this junction, we are going to say let t raised to the power 3 equals y, such that anywhere there is t power of 3, we bring in y. So this becomes y raised to the power 3 plus y raised to the power 2 is equal to 36. So from here, let us move 36 over to this side of the equation. This becomes y raised to the power 3 plus y raised to the power 2, then minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, we are going to apply a trick, and the trick is this. Look at y squared right here. Y squared can be expressed in the form of minus 3y squared plus 4y squared. Okay, so in place of y squared, we'll bring in this minus 3y squared plus 4y squared, such that here becomes, we have it as y raised to the power 3, then y squared becomes minus 3y squared plus 4y squared minus 36 is equal to 0. So from here, we are then going to factorize out y squared from here. So bringing out y squared, what we have, if you divide y raised to the power 3 divided by y squared, the answer is y. Then if you divide, then we have minus. If you divide 3y squared with y squared, the answer is 3. Then also right here, factorize out plus 4 from here. So plus 4. If you divide 4y squared with 4, the answer is y squared. And if you divide 36 with 4, the answer is 9. So minus 9, all is equal to 0. So from here, we can express 9 as 3 squared, right? So this becomes y squared into brackets y minus 3, then plus 4 into brackets y squared minus 9 can be written as 3 squared, all is equal to 0. So with this, okay, if you look at this right here, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared is equal to, in brackets, a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay, so we are going to expand this, making use of this, such that from here we have it as y squared into brackets y minus 3, then plus 4 into brackets, okay, a is y minus b is 3, a is y plus b is 3. Okay, all is equal to 0. So from here, what you are then going to do is to then factorize out y minus 3, y minus 3. So factorize out y minus 3. What you're going to have from here, if you divide this, okay, with y minus 3, the answer is y squared. So y squared plus, if you divide all of this with y minus 3, we're going to have it as 4 into brackets y plus 3. So all is equal to 0. Now from here, what we have is this, in brackets y minus 3 into brackets y squared, then plus 4 times y, 4y, 4 times 3, 12. So plus 12, all is equal to 0. Now at this junction, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So y minus 3 is equal to 0, or this y squared plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So looking at this first linear equation right here, which is y minus 3 is equal to 0. Move minus 3 over to this side, y is equal to 3. And we have gotten the value of y. The next thing is to get the value of t. Recall that from here, we said let t raised to power 3 equal y, right? So from here, now t raised to power 3, that t raised to power 3 is equal to y, and we got the value of y as 3. So this becomes t raised to power 3 is equal to y is then 3. So to then solve for t, we are going to multiply both sides with power 1 over 3 to cancel out 3 from here. So in brackets, t raised to power 3 all raised to power 1 over 3 is equal to, in bracket, 3 all raised to power 1 over 3. Now from here, 3 cancel 3. What we have is t is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 3. Or this can be written in the form of t is equal to the cube root of 3. So this is the solution for t. Okay. Now don't forget that we got the value of t from this first linear equation. So then let us then get the other value of t, okay, from this other equation. Once we get the value of y, then we cannot get the value of t. But before then, let us check if there will be any real solution in this quadratic equation. So making use of discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac to check if there will be any real solution in this equation. From here, the value of a in this equation is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. So a is equal to 1. The value of b is the coefficient of y, which is plus 4. The value of c is the constant, which is 12. So therefore, checking this out, the discriminant is equal to b is 4. So 4 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 12. So discriminant is equal to 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1, 4 times 12 is equal to 48. From here, discriminant is equal to 16 minus 48 is minus 32. Okay. Now, since the value is less than 0, there will be no real solution. There will be no real solution in this equation. Okay. There will be no real solution in this quadratic equation. So that means that the only real solution that we have is t equals to 3 raised to power 1 over 3, or t equals to the cube root of 3. Now let us check if this solution of t is the correct solution. Okay, let us confirm that. So right here, we got the value of t. T is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 3. Or this can be written as t equals to the cube root of 3. So the question is t raised to power 9 plus t raised to power 6 is equal to 36. Okay, from here, inputting the value of t into this right here, t is now into bracket 3 raised to power 1 over 3, then all raised to power 9, then plus t is in bracket 3 raised to power 1 over 3, all raised to power 6, with this equal 36 question mark. Now from here, power 9, we multiply 1 over 3, so 3 raised to power 1 times 9 is 9 over 3, plus 6 multiplied 1 over 3, so 3 raised to power 6 times 1 is 6 over 3 equals 36. With this equal 36 question mark. So from here, what we have is 3 raised to power 3 cancel 9, that is 3, plus 3 raised to power 3 cancel 6, that is 2, with this equal 36 question mark. Now from here, 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 27, plus 3 squared is 9, with this equal 36 question mark. Now adding up 27 plus 9, the value is equal to 36, and this is equal to 36. So this means that the solution of t that we got as 3 raised to power 1 over 3, or t equals to the cube root of 3, is the correct solution. Okay, so with this, I hope you all learned one or two from this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.